You are going to love the 2018 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel ABS, front floor mats, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.